Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahidi bin Uncle Muhammad Budia, and today I will fulfill the requirement for the Project 7 segment LED counter and for the microcontroller application subject. And we are from Group 3, and the title for the project is Glucose Monitor System. This is my team members. Team members is myself is Muhammad Syahini bin Muhammad Budia, and then Izzat Daniel bin Muhammad Anwar, and last but not least Iqbal bin Safaat. And then we're moving forward for the introduction. Introduction for the project is the project is a part of fulfillment for microcontroller application course, and the project is to support the IR 4.0 and the future as a future of engineer. As product design engineer, we are required to propose and design an embedded system for the reverse quality system. And then there is a few of key point for the project description based on the uh, data sheets given by the lecturer, Dr. Hikmah. First of all, the system need to be developed will regulate glucose levels in the body of someone with diabetes. And then the sensor need to be continuously monitors. And then when the sensor reading exceed 150, the controller will engage the insulin pump and generate the alarm. The insulin pump will continuously pumping the insulin into the bloodstream, and then when the reading of the glucose level is less than 50, the insulin pump will stop. The chemical glucose sensor will generate an 8-bit digital signal and will be sent to the LED attached at the prototype. And then the system must have on off switch, reset switch, alarm speaker, and LCD. Uh, okay, we'll moving forward for the flowchart of the codes. As we all know, before we start to write any codes in for the microcontroller, we need to draw or write the flowchart. Thus, it will make our coding process much more easier. And then for the start, uh, when the button is pushed on or off, and then the level sensor will be detected by the sensor, glucose sensor, and then the glucose level will be shown at the LCD. And then if the glucose level is equal to uh, 150, and then the button will turn on for 30 seconds, and then if the glucose is more than 150, and then the insulin pump will turn on until the glucose level is reduced until less than 150, until 50. And then when the glucose level is less than 150 and it's reached 50, the insulin pump will turn off, and then the sensor will repeating itself over and over again since the version or the assignment required for the sensor for continuously detecting the glucose level in the bloodstream.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iqbal bin Safaat. Today I would like to present about my project circuit diagram. And for the first, we use the Arduino Uno R3 for the microcontroller, and we use two push start button, and this is reset button, and this is push start button. And you use the variable resistor here to control, and this is the motor we use and buzzer to detect the alarm, and LCD for monitor. And for the simulation, we go here and we go to the 0 and we insert the program, and now we push the push start button, and the LCD will show 40, and when we up the reading here to 84 to 106, motor will running, and we up here to 150 and the buzzer will continue running again, will appear for the alarm.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zadina bin Anwar. Matric number CN 2022. I want to present about our project. This is the project circuit diagram. Then I want to present. This is our program coding for our project. Then I want to present about the project cost. The first item is I don't know. We choose to be our microcontroller. The price of unit is 30 ringgit. Second is on off switch, which price at 150 cent. The third item is reset button for our project, which costs us 1 ringgit. The fourth item is the buzzer, act as an alarm in our project if the glucose level reach a certain level, which costs us 150 cent. The liquid crystal display, the fifth item is liquid crystal display, which is called LCD to give readings or the measurement of our glucose level, which costs us 20 ringgit for each. Sixth item is a lithium ion battery, which costs us 20 ringgit for 5 battery. Seventh is for a jumper cable for our setup in our project setup, which costs us 4 ringgit for one set, male to female and female to female and mix. The eighth item is a peristaltic pump to pump the insulin to a person's body. And ninth item is clear tube, which uh, which used for insulin to go through and go through our body. The tenth item is insulin reservoir, where you connect the vial of the insulin. And the 11th item is a cannula protection valve, which is used to as a needle to inject in a person's body. And 12th item is a 3D printed casing for our project, which costs us 90 ringgit. Total for our project cost is 209 ringgit 5 cent, 50 cent. Thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this is our 3D modeling prototype for the glucose monitoring system. We are using the SketchUp website, it is much more easier to make 3D prototype. And this is the prototype that has been made by our group. This is the glucose monitoring system. There is a mechanism written at the right case. When the sugar level is more than 150, the pump will be started until it is less than 50. And when it is there is high sugar level in the blood, the alarm will trigger. And all of the prototype is followed by the requirement made by the lecturer. We need to have the reset button, on off button, the speaker for the alarm, and then this is the sensor, and then in this case there is an LCD in the front, and then in this case there is the microcontroller and the pump for the insulin pump.